Hi, it's Lee from coloringqueen.net, and today I want to show you a lovely book that I got from Sweden. It's by a textile designer and it roughly translates to birds and butterflies. Now it's sort of horizontal rather than vertical, so it's a landscape style book. It measures little, about 11.5, a little bit more, nearly 12 inches long, which is about 29, so it's about 29.8 centimetres, and by about 21 centimetres or 8.5 inches. So it's sort of A4 size, but instead of like that, it's like that. Now it comes in a lovely hard sort of card cover, and as you can see, it's packed full of images. Got this beautiful front cover. There's still some line art here that you could colour in. There's no foiling here, but it's beautifully printed and beautifully coloured. The side binding is like a book binding, so we've got that on there to protect it, and over the page or on the back cover we've got some line art and some beautiful printing on here. So let's have a look at the book. It is single-sided pages, and all of the illustrations fill the page, and they all feature birds and butterflies in some sort of shape or form. Now the paper is absolutely fantastic. I don't know if you can see how thick that is, but it is super thick. It's like a card and very, very thick. We've got some pre-printed black backgrounds on here and some gorgeous designs. And these would come out really easily from the binding if you want to remove it. The paper is just so super thick. And as you can see, she's mixing it up, whether to have it portrait style or landscape style. And there we have it, the end of the book, and it's got a sturdy card backing on it as well, so it makes it useful if you want to colour within the book. It's nice and sturdy. And that is it for birds and butterflies. Hope you enjoyed this colouring book review, and until next time, happy colouring.